Hi everyone, welcome to Udaan Analytics. And today we are kicking off a new series where we break down trending technologies that can actually help you in real work and real projects. In this episode, we are exploring a new tool from Amazon, AWS Bedrock AgentCore, that lets you build AI agent without coding. You will walk away knowing what it is, where it is useful, and how to start playing with it for free. So let's start with basics. What exactly is an AI agent? Think of it like an digital assistant or a junior employee, but powered by AI. What you are seeing here is a conceptual diagram that agent sits at the center and is connected to different parts of your system. That is database, local files, API, sensors. It doesn't just answer prompt like ChatGPT. It makes decisions, call tools, track context, and acts on your behalf. For example, an agent might read a support email, check the customer order status, and generate a response completely independently. But building agents isn't easy. This diagram shows the invisible burden developer face. You need memory to track what the agent is doing, compute resource to run its logic, identity layer so it can access APIs securely, observability for logs and error tracing. All of this needs to be set up, tested, scaled, and secured. This is not for just one AI assistant. And this is where most people give up. The infrastructure is just too heavy. But Amazon saw that problem and decided to fix it. Here's where the magic happens. AWS Bedrock Agent Core. What you are looking at is the full architecture of an agent broken down into plug and play modules. Let's walk through each one briefly. We have runtime. Runtime is a serverless engine that runs your agent logic securely with auto scaling, isolation, and no infrastructure to manage. Then we have memory. Memory is to keep track of conversation, decision, and past action. So we have two types of memory in Agent Core. One is short term and long term. Then we have gateway. Gateway lets your agent call external APIs and internal services like CRM, databases, or even Google Sheets. Then we have identity. Identity, it manages secure access with APIs, keys, authorization, IAM, just like human would log in. Then we have code interpreter. This is amazing. Like it lets your agent run Python or JavaScript securely for logic, calculations, or data cleaning. Then we have logging of everything. It helps you to monitor everything like logs, performance, failures, so you can debug like a pro. With these pieces, you can build almost any agent you want without writing the backend code. So Agent Core have all these serverless runtime, agent memory, secure API gateway, code interpreter, full observability, and it you just need to connect the dots. You don't need to write any backend code for this. Now let's make it clear. These are the four use cases where Agent Core can immediately be useful. First, an agent read customer support emails, pull order info from the CRM, and replies instantly and correctly. It remember all the conversation history by using memory, and it can be trained using that memory as well. So that's why it gives answers instantly and correctly. Then The second example, in IT, an agent categorizes tickets and sends them to the right team after checking logs. This reduces wait time and also it reduces manual efforts. Earlier, we need to identify which tickets belong to which team. Now, Agent Core manages IT tickets for us. Like it can just send the right ticket to right team. Then the third example for reporting, it collect weekly KPIs from APIs, generate summaries, and email dashboards to your manager. For example, if you are a manager and you want to see anomalies in a particular data set, you just need to type to agent that I need to find anomalies for this period. Then the agent will return you the trends for that data set and it will help you in identifying where the anomalies is, where we haven't received the data or we have received low data for that thing. Then the last example, but not the least, in hiring, the agent read resumes, matches them with job description, and highlights the best candidate automatically. That thus it's saves lot of manual efforts. Like we don't need to check each resume manually. And by using agent core, you don't need multiple platform for this. Just one agent with smart setup. If you are wondering how actually get started with the agent core, here are three golden links that make it super easy to learn. The first link is Quick Start Toolkit on GitHub. This is hands-on guide with example commands and YAML templates to launch your agent in minutes. It even includes sample agents for help desk and report generation. So it has all the prerequisite installation and deployment part as well. You can go through it and like if you face any problem, just let me know in the comments. Then the second one is the documentation by Amazon. This is where all the deep technical info lives. It explains how services in Amazon Bedrock are connected. Like we have runtime services, we have identity, memory, code interpreter, browser, gateway, observability, and it shows how Agent Core will manage all these services. It is perfect if you want to understand how each module fits in. Then the third website, we have also the documentation from Amazon. This is very useful for understanding business use cases, pricing, and industry fit. Use this if you want to convince your manager or client why Agent Core is worth using. I will link all three in the description and I highly recommend checking out. Here is the main thing to remember. AWS Agent Core makes AI agent not only possible but practical. You don't have to build infrastructure. You don't need to manage servers. You can focus on outcomes like better customer service, faster triaging, and automation. This is just part of one of our series. In the next video, we will walk through building an agent with the toolkit and testing it live. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your ideas in the comment. Thank you for watching. This is Udaan Analytics, and we are here to help you turn trending AI tools into real world skills. See you in the next one. Thank you.